Breathwork is a booming wellness trend, with its popularity beginning to spill out into the digital world. Imagine transforming the breathwork sessions you already guide into a digital course that sells while you sleep. Sounds exciting, right? In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to package your existing sessions into a digital course using System.io. You don't need fancy equipment, complicated tech, or months of work. By the end of this video, you'll know the quick and easy steps required to record and launch your first breathwork course in as little as 7 days. The first step is mapping out the transformation you want your students to experience. Instead of cramming everything you know into one program, focus on a clear outcome. For example, feel calmer in 7 days through simple breathwork practices. Write down 3 to 5 modules, each with one main technique or practice. That's all you need to deliver real value. Step 2 is recording your sessions. You don't need a fancy studio. Simply record with Zoom or OBS Studio if you'd like video, or even just record audio directly to your phone. Keep it simple. Your students are here for the experience, not for the Hollywood level production. Step 3 is where System.io makes everything easy. Upload your recordings, organize them into your course modules, and connect your course to a simple sales funnel. In just a few clicks, your course is live, ready to welcome students, and you can start receiving payments instantly. So if you're ready to share your breathwork with the world, System.io gives you the space to create, launch, and grow without the tech overwhelm. Follow along for more videos where I'll show you how this all-in-one platform can replace multiple expansive tools and help you focus on your soul's work.